Hi and welcome to Barnaby's Brain Farts or Barnaby Entertainment or whatever you call the channel. I'm starting to rebrand my channel. Light-heartedly call it my channel. It hasn't been much up till now. A few years ago I started a YouTube channel which I called Barnaby's Brain Farts. It was done just for a bit of a laugh, a bit of fun. And the idea was, the reason it was brain farts, it was any sort of stupid ideas that occurred to me, like a little joke that I may have, or if I want to sing a song or play the piano or do a magic trick, all of which are things that I do, then I could put them on my YouTube channel. And so I started Barnaby's Brain Farts off, and it was a bit of fun for me. And over that time I built up 88 subscribers, for which I'm very grateful. Thank you very much for people who have subscribed to me. I apologise, by the way, for my voice. I've got a sore throat. I work as an entertainer, part-time. I'm semi-retired, and my entertainment involves performing magic.
I'm going to turn the Jack of Hearts face down and do this, watch. I'm going to change that into the King of Hearts that is under your foot.
What? Nah, as if.
No, I don't want to touch it. If it's your card though, everyone's going to go mad and clap really loud. Turn the card over, have a look, Charlie.
Go ahead, Charlie. Oh my god. That's just what? It's my shoe section.
And I also do a little bit of singing and a little bit of playing piano.
They say the sausage rolls are great in Lisgar, but should I go to Sayers or to Grace? There's always Waterfields too, but all three shops have a great big queue. Which one is best? I haven't a clue in Lisgar.
And over the run up to Christmas I was singing at several nursing homes and things. They're the places I work at, and therefore my voice has gone a bit. Right, so I didn't have any direction with my YouTube channel up until now. It was just for fun. Now I want to try and take it a little bit more seriously. I want to see if I can build up the numbers. And yes, obviously I'm aware that if you do build up the numbers of your subscribers and the view counts and things that you've got, it's conceivable that you can make some money doing it. I'm not averse to doing that. I'd be rather pleased if I did. I don't desperately need the money. I've just about can get by on my pension, I guess. And then I have a little bit of extra income coming in from the nursing homes I work at, and I occasionally do busking and I do bits and bobs. So I'm not desperately needing the money, but yeah, you know, who wouldn't find some extra money handy? So that's the idea of the channel now. I've decided I've got a direction. I want to try and build the base up and make a little bit of cash if I can, and have some fun along the way. If I don't make any money doing it, if I don't manage to build the subscribers up, well, so be it. I'm not going to worry too much about it, but it would be a lovely exercise to try and do. The next thing was, what do I make the channel about? Rather than making just random different things, I don't think somebody's going to subscribe to that really. Well, some people have, of course, but I don't think it's going to drive a big number of people to follow on that basis. I don't play piano well enough to teach piano. I don't sing well enough to make singing videos or teaching singing or anything, because I'm actually quite a poor singer. I get by. I can hold a tune just about, but I enjoy doing it. And of course, as I mentioned, I make a little bit of spare money doing it. Magic tricks, well, you know, there's only so many tricks I do. I don't really want to perform magic as my YouTube channel, and there are a limited number of magicians around as well that would follow me, so I decided not to do that. And then of course it suddenly hit me that the thing I'm wanting to do is to build my YouTube channel up, so why not make the YouTube channel about building a YouTube channel up? Normally if I'm searching other people's YouTube channels for advice on making your channel grow, of course I'm looking for a channel that itself has thousands and thousands of subscribers, and I haven't. I've got 88 to start with, and they may jump the sinking ship, I don't know, when they see the change direction that the channel's taking. But we'll see. I think there's a lot of people around in the world who'd like to have a YouTube channel and would like their YouTube channel to grow. And so we're going to cover a number of things. I'm going to look into creating artwork for the banner on my YouTube channel, the little thumbnail pictures, advice on that. There's lots of videos advising on them, but I'm going to be looking at the advice that's given on YouTube channels, trying to follow it myself and counting day to day how my subscription goes. So we know we're starting off on 88 subscribers. I'm hoping that I can build it right the way up. My targets initially are, first of all, 1,000 subscribers, because that's where you can start to monetize your videos. Although I think there's some advice that don't even monetize it then, but we'll see. I'll look into it. And then maybe just a figure snatched out the air, I've got 88 subscribers now. Let's try and multiply that by 1,000. Let's try and eventually get to 88,000 subscribers. I don't think that's ever going to happen, but you know, who knows? It'd be great if you would consider subscribing and liking and commenting on my videos. This one is going to be the bare bones video because I've not got an intro yet. I've not got great thumbnails, and so on and so forth. So we're going to be building up over the next few weeks. I'm going to try and broadcast probably several times a week. So if you want to follow the little trip along, maybe even if you just do it for a few months and see where it goes. Remember, we're starting off with 88 subscribers, and we'll see if we can get up to that 1,000 first of all. So come with me on the game. It's a bit of fun, and we'll see where we go. And let me know if you follow any of the bits of advice that I re-impart to you, because it's not really my pieces of advice. I only go on other people's channels and Google things and try and find out that way, but you can perhaps see whether it worked for me. As far as time commitments and equipment and so on is concerned, I'm filming at the moment on my Samsung Galaxy Note 9, which is a nice phone camera. I have a Panasonic G7 which can film in 4K. I might occasionally use that, or even just the webcam on my computer. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. I haven't got lots of equipment. I do actually have a Zoom H1 audio recorder, so I might dig that out and start trying to use that to improve the audio quality. I might think about buying an LED video light if that's going to make a big difference. We'll see. But at the moment, I'm trying to start off and show that a channel could be started perhaps just from your phone. I don't see any reason why it shouldn't be. Like I say, we'll cover the artwork and various things, SEO type stuff. I know nothing about that at the moment, so I'm going to try and learn it, and perhaps you can learn it with me. So again, thanks for listening to my rambling for the past, 5-10 minutes, and hope to see you again later in the week. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Thanks very much. Bye now.